This shit packed, man.
Right now, bro.
We outside at the door. Outside. We lit. This is lit. What's good, guys? It's your boy Ant on the Go-Go. How you guys doing today? I hope all is well. You know, I'm back. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How you guys doing today? It's your boy Ant on the Go-Go. You already know. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Thank you for everybody always supporting me, watching all my videos, you know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, I do this. I'm an entrepreneur. I love what I do. It's lit. You know what I'm saying? Lit. You feel me? I love what I do. You know, I'm an entrepreneur. You know, I'm outside every day. I'm inside doing online work every day. Let me know, guys, if you want to message me, you know, casual talking, let me know, guys. Let me know. I'm from New York City. You know, I don't bite. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. But I hope everybody's doing great. And I'm here with a brand new sneaker unboxing video for you guys. So I know you see it in the clip. People was wilding out, bugging out for the Jordans, you know, for the Jordan 12s. The retro is back. Retro is back. Hey, retro is back. You know what I'm saying? Retro is back, guys. So, this is what I got that's brand new. You know what I'm saying? Brand new sneakers, retro. And let's get into it. So, you know, these came out what, 3 days ago? And it is, I'll jump into this right now. Boom. The Jordan 12s. Ooh, Jordan 12s, everybody. The Jordan 12s. These are a big size. These are size 12. I had like 50 pairs, me and my boy. You know, we was working together copping these. But shout out to my son Rocket. Shout out to my son Ivan. If you watching this shit, you already know. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. We lit. You know what it is? It's not about getting money, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you guys, it's not about getting money. It's about working together. Working together. Shout out to the bros. But the detail on these are so amazing. You know, the retro, I'm loving the retro, you know. So, let's do the smell test real quick to make sure that it's real or fake. Ooh. Ooh, it's real, guys. Ooh. It's lit. Lit. You feel me? I'm always lit, guys. I'm always lit. You already know. But the Jordan 12s classic, you already know. With the black, so look, you got the black top, then you got the red down the bottom. Amazing. Then you got the 23 in the back. You know, you got the 23 in the back. Then you got the Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue right here. So amazing. Then, you know, these shoes, let me know if you cop. Let me know, did you hit a pair on sneakers or a Foot Locker? These was, I want to say a GR, but not really a GR because, you know, a lot of people was feeding for it, but it was in a lot of stores, first come, first serve. So I do want to say these were GRs. I'm not going to lie with you guys. You could have copped it on sneakers if you didn't get it, but it was a mission because everybody was going crazy for this. Everybody was running inside the mall. Oh my God. I went to Brooklyn. I went to King's Plaza, right? And let me tell you, people was fiending, running in the mall. They did not open the mall until 10 a.m. When 10 a.m. came, everybody was just bugging out. I'm like, damn, y'all bugging out for these. For these, y'all going crazy for. But let me know what you guys think. Is it a cop or drop? For me, honestly, I'm going to drop these because I don't wear 12s, to be honest. I don't wear 12s, guys. I don't really wear 12s. So, you know, it's cool. But the leather quality too. You fill this up, the materials is amazing. You got the leather, you got like that leather quality on the black. Like you see right here? It's like leather right here. Really good material, really great material. I can't lie. You know, let me know, did you guys get a pair? You know, New York City was crazy. You know how New York get, guys. You know, y'all know how New York City get for a sneaker release. But yeah, I would say definitely for other people, these are great. I think these are 10 out of 10. But it's not great for me because I don't wear 12s. But if I'm looking at it on somebody else, these are fire. These are really fire. But let me know, guys. You can match these in the winter, summer, spring. These are fire, fire, fire. Yeah. Whoa. Almost dropped it. But let me know, guys. Did you get your pair? And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know. And I cop, 50 pairs? Shout out to the bros. You know what I'm saying? We put in the heavy work. And it's all about inspiring. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gloating. I'm not flexing none of these items. I'm just, you know, it's just inspiration. You know what I'm saying? I want to inspire you so you inspire me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, size 12. This is my last pair. I'm about to go sell it right now. Go meet up with my client. But yeah, guys, definitely let me know your thoughts on these. So you already know I'm giving you guys a close-up. You know, guys, you know how I do. I always like to give a close-up review so you guys can see the detail. But look at the detail, Jumpman, with the leather quality, so amazing. Then you got the little hint of detail with the Jumpman logo on the top. Then you got the 23, you know, you got the, oh my God, these are amazing. Let me know, did you touch? Oh, you see that? You see the details? Yo, these are fire, fire, fire. Yo, these are crazy. Let me know what your thoughts, guys. Let me know what your thoughts on these. These are fire. And if you don't get it now, I don't know when you're going to get it. These are retro, guys. Please tap in. Make sure you grab your pair. You know, it matches anything. I love the leather quality and the leather quality on the tongue. You see that? Oh, man. Pretty amazing. Then you got the, you know, the Jordan Jumpman, of course. And then you got the details. Pretty amazing. Shoot. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong, guys. Let me know if you touch. And I'll see you guys later. You know, thank you always. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy. Ooh. These are so, oh my God. These smell so good, guys. Definitely real. And that's one way to tell if a sneaker is fake or real. But make sure you guys cop. Oh. Make sure you guys get your pair. These won't be, you know, these are already sold out already. You know, these already sold out. So, woo. Woo. Fire. 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 Let me know, guys. Have a great day.